Hello everyone, welcome back to Beyond Cooking World. Today we're gonna make a cutlet. These are the ingredients: 1 spoon ginger garlic paste and carrots and peas in one bowl. 2 spoon red chili powder, 1 spoon coriander powder and 1 spoon garam masala. 1 big onion and 4 smashed potatoes. Flour or maida mixed with water and bread crumbs. Add egg white instead of maida for coating. I'm gonna add olive oil 2 spoons. Oh, oil is hot. I can feel it. Now we can add 1 big onion. Now I put the onion, so let's add a little bit salt. Now the onions are kind of cooked, so let's add the ginger garlic paste. So let's do it. Now I'm gonna add peas and carrot. And then mashed potato. And mix it well. Look how colorful it is. And it's time to add the spices. So let's do it. And of course you have to mix it. Look, my cutlet masala is ready. Isn't it simple? Now we have to make a ball shape with the masala. Look at my cutlet balls. Now we have to mix it with the maida, with salt and a little bit water. Now I'm going to put it in the breadcrumbs and coat it. Let's coat it. We'll make different shape. Flour, heart and circle. You can make whatever shape you want. We can do this cutlet with oil and without oil. But I'm going to do both of them. But first I'm going to do without oil in the air fryer first. Now I put some in the air fryer. So you have to cook it for 400 degrees and then 7 minutes and then flip it and then for another 7 minutes. So let's do it. Now the other method is you can deep fry it when the oil is hot. So let's deep fry it. Kids are not supposed to fry it in the oil because you might get hurt. So that's why my mom helped me out with frying the oil. Look at my yummy cutlets. This one's from the air fryer and this one's from the oil. Now it's time to taste it. Yummy and delicious. Let's taste the air fried one. It's so crispy. and delicious. Please try this at home and enjoy. Thank you for watching the video. Please like and subscribe and hit the bell button. See you later.